Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Chris with Committed 3D Tech, and a couple weeks ago we reviewed the Crypto.com Visa Rewards card, and guess what? It finally came in. So today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox it. We're gonna go over some of the reasons that I got it in the first place, and then we're gonna review how easy it is to set up and also make purchases with the card. Let's get started. Okay, so multiple reviews have shown this coming in a very nice case, which is awesome. I really appreciate good packaging. As you can see, here we go. Boom. Just look how nice it is. It's got a nice pull tab. So once you open it up, you get this nice thank you card from MCO, from Crypto.com. Now I got the Midnight Blue card, which is the very basic one. The reason I did that is because I wanted to get I just wanted to dip my toes in the water instead of jumping all the way in. There are a lot of crypto products out there, and I wanted to make sure that this was one that I wanted to get in. So as of right now, I have staked 50 MCO tokens. I do have more crypto on that platform, but the way it works is you stake the 50 MCO tokens, and if you use my referral code, you can get $50 for free just for doing that. So here's what it looks like. Okay, now that I've covered it up a little bit, so you can see, slides out. This packaging is extremely nice. Boom. Now this does have the tap to pay, and then it's got the chip as well. The Midnight Blue is not the metal card. This is the very basic one for staking 50 MCO tokens. And it has the 1% cash back on every single purchase. Plus it gives you access to all the other features of Crypto.com app. Like the Crypto Earn. Crypto Invest isn't available yet, but I have been making money on my MCO tokens that I've staked every single day. And I really like that. You have a flexible, you can do it for a month or you can do it for 3 months, and you get a higher percentage based on how long you stake it. So the reason I really like this card is because there's just so many options, and it's also free to buy, sell, deposit, and withdraw your cryptocurrency, which makes this specific card extremely versatile. It should be pretty convenient. We'll go and do a purchase here in just a few moments. The other thing is Monaco did a good choice by buying the Crypto.com domain, because when you type in cryptocurrency in Google, Crypto.com is one of the first ones to pop up, which means that this card is going to be in the forefront as cryptocurrency continues to grow and become more of an asset that people are utilizing. So now that we've got our card, let's get it set up in the app. So my card issue status was issued on July 14th, the day that it was available in the United States. And then it just changed to shipped either July 31st or August 1st, something like that. So the card got to me within 3 or 4 days. I was really happy about that. It came really quickly. So here, we're gonna activate the card. So what you'll do is you'll activate your card by doing the security code on the back and then set up a PIN. So once again, this is a debit card. This is not a credit card. So there is no line of credit. It's based on what you have in your account. Boom, okay. So the first thing I'm gonna need to do is I'm gonna need to top up. I'm gonna use it from my Bitcoin wallet. So as you can see, I have some Bitcoin in my wallet here. Once again, I haven't been using this as my main crypto asset wallet, but let's give it a shot. We're gonna top it up. And so I should be able to go and make a purchase with it. Let's go and give it a shot. Okay, so as you can see, we're here at Smoothie King. So I actually have a $2 off coupon. So I'm gonna go in and get myself a smoothie, come back out, and we'll see how the transaction went using my Crypto.com Visa. Thank you too. All right, so as you can see here, the purchase went super smooth, just like any other card, and got my nice smoothie. So good. Lemon spinach ginger. And just for fun, what I'll do is down in the description, I will put a referral code. If you want to use the Smoothie King app, you can get $2 off if you want. Anyway, aside from that, the one piece of negative feedback I would say from crypto.com is, as of right now, there's no way to transfer US dollars from the crypto.com app to your bank account. So you can transfer out cryptocurrency, but if you want to spend US dollars, you have to use the card, which makes it a little bit difficult. But I'm guessing, you know, this is still in its infancy, so it will probably improve in the future. Just as of right now, that's something that I noticed that I don't really like. But I mean, from my crypto earn feature, and also the referral program is really great, because if you sign up and stake 50 MCO tokens, you and I both get $50 of MCO tokens for free. So it's a super good deal. Plus, it's a great way to hold your crypto assets, and when they spike, you can sell them for US dollars, and then you can spend the money on your card and get the rewards. That's what we got so far. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like this video, because when you like the video, it improves the YouTube algorithm so that my video goes in front of a larger audience. So more people will be able to see this video and find it if they're interested in the crypto.com MCO Visa. Subscribe to my channel so that you can get more updates and notifications when I post videos like this. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.